this is part 3 of NC.3.OA.9. This is the last question we're going to do on the standard. Alright, let's read the question. It might be kind of hard to see, I'm sorry. Study the multiplication chart. Okay. Alright. Which chart is correctly filled out? So, this can be kind of complicated if you try to just think about it and try to find it. The best thing to do is to write it down. Okay. So, right here, this first one. To find this, we go over 6 and go up 3. So, to find this blank, you do 6 times 3 or 3 times 6. Okay, well, let's solve this so we can figure out what goes there. Let's say you don't know what 3 times 6 is. Let's break it apart. 3 times 3 is 9. And then 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay, so we know that 18 is going to go there. Alright, before we move anywhere, let's make our life a little bit easier. Let's look at all 4 charts and see if there's any that do not have an 18 right there, because that might help us layer it down. Okay, A, 6 times 3, they put 16. So that one isn't correct. 6 times 3, they put 18. So we could keep that one for now. Whoops. B, 6 times 3, they said it's 16. So we know automatically that one's not correct. And then 6 times 3 is 18. They put that. So that one right there is correct. So we've already layered it down to 2 answers. So we know it's either C or D. Let's move to the next one. Right, next blank. To find this one, we need to go over, it's 7, and up 4. So we can find 7 times 4 or 4 times 7. Okay. Well, so we don't know what 4 times 7 is. Let's break it apart. 3 and 4. So 4 times 3 is 12 plus 4 times 4, which is 16. So we have 10 plus 2 and 10 plus 6. 10 plus 10 is 20. 2 plus 6 is 8. So put it together, that's 28. Okay, so we're looking for, right there in the middle, 7 times 4 to be 28. Let's check our C. 7 times 4, and they put 24, so that one's not correct. And then this one, 7 times 4 is 28, so that one is also correct. Okay, so before we answer, because we got rid of the other ones, but we should probably check the last one to make sure that we are on the right track and it is actually correct. So let's check the last one before we just go ahead and pick one. To find this one, we need to go over 8 and then up 5. So to find this one, 8 times 5 or 5 times 8. Let's say you don't know what 5 times 8 is. Let's break it apart. 4 and 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4 is 20. What's 20 plus 20? 2 tens plus 2 tens is 4 tens. So, let's see if this answer right here. 8 times 5. 8 times 5, 40. That's what we said it was. So that's 3 checks, and that means that is our answer. You have to check each one. Help yourself by layering it down. Alright. Goodbye.